Hey everyone, in the following video we will go over some of the details and some of the customization options you have for your blog. So we'll just head on over to our blog page, and as you see here we have a drop down of various blog options we have a blog with a grid option with only 2 columns, 3 columns, we have cool images, shortcuts, thumbnail views, etc. So let's just go over to our 2 columns view, and we'll go over to the back end of our website, and I'll just briefly run you through how these pages were customized. So first of all, whenever you're creating a blog page, let's just go over here and click on Add New, and this will be our test blog. You create a template where it's listed as blog posts. Once you've selected blog post, you'll have a number of options expand on your right side. First of all, you'll need to select your blog layout. You can either have it with a right or left sidebar, or you can have it full width. Next off, you can choose the template style. You can have a grid view or a thumbnail view, or a list view as well. So let's just select grid view. With a grid view, I have another option come up, and I can select the number of columns I want to have. And here I have the option of 1, 2, 3, or 4. So let's select 3. Alright, now that I've selected the amount of information I want to display in my blog post, I'll go ahead and publish this page. Once the page has been published, I'll simply click on View Page to see how my blog page turned out. And so here I have the grid view, and I have all of these options and customizations that I've done. Next off, if you want to change the layout, you can select Thumbnail View, and then you have more options expand. You can use gutter space. Gutter space is this blank space between the images. So if we'll leave it as no, that means the images will be very closely together. We can have the title over the images or below the images. So let's leave them over the images. Select number of columns. We'll put 2. And let's go ahead and update our page. Let's refresh this front page. So we have 2 columns. We have the title over the blog post once you hover over it. And as you see here, we have absolutely no gutter space in between these images. If we select to have gutter space, select yes. We'll have title below the images, and we can have 3 images instead of 2. Let's click on update. We'll go here, refresh this page. So here we see our titles are beneath the featured image, and we have gutter space in between our blog posts. And also we have 3 images in a row, or 3 columns. Next off, we have the option of having a list view. List view is something which is by default. As you see, there's not too many options over here once you've selected list view. So let's just go ahead and update this page. We'll go back here, refresh it, and see how it turns out. So this is what our list view looks like. It's just a simple scroll through blog. Now please note that you also have some additional blog settings within the Flothemes section. And if you go over to Content Settings, you can select your blog layouts, you can select your archive layouts, and so forth. So you can play around with these settings as well. However, it is important to know that if you select a grid layout, for example, for blog listings, and I click on Update here, once I go to this page, I can refresh it, and as you'll see, none of my settings have changed. And this is mainly because the page that I have within our main settings, within the reading settings, is for our regular blog page, not the test blog page that we've created. So as you see here, we have a page where it's titled test blog. If we select this as our main blog page, that means all of the settings will be active all the settings from the Flothemes section will be active for that page specifically. So that's just something you need to know whenever you are making any customizations or adjustments within the Flothemes section, is that you need to have your blog page set within settings, readings, and selecting your blog page in order to make any adjustments here. But other than that, this is pretty much everything, and we've covered all of the details of how you can customize your blog appearance. Now note that you can have several blog pages, as we do within our template as well. We have several layouts, and you can create as many blog pages as you want virtually by just simply going over to our pages, clicking add new, and then you select your page template as blog posts. So I do hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.